I created 30 days of Instagram content in under 15 minutes. If you post on Instagram, you know the cycle. You spend hours picking fonts and colors until one post finally looks right. Then you repeat the whole process again for the next post. And when you're busy, the posts just stop and your account goes quiet for weeks. I've partnered with Adobe Express to show you the easy steps to design a month's worth of posts in one sitting without the burnout, so you can post more consistently and get more clients. Now here's the mindset shift. We aren't going to design 30 separate Instagram posts one by one. We're going to design one post and set it up so the other 29 make themselves. In Adobe Express, we're going to start by choosing a template. From the home page, select the plus icon here, go to social media and ads, and I'm going to select an Instagram portrait post. So you can use the search to look for the type of post that you want and also use the filters here to refine the style that you like. I find that motivational quote posts work really well for this. I've chosen this one because it has the balance of text and background image that I can work with. Now it's time to make it yours, and you can delete any elements that you don't like or that you don't need on the design, or you can add extra things as well. So you can add extra images if you want to enhance the design that way. Simply go to content and then scroll for the thing that you want to add, or you can add extra text as well if you want additional text to be on this particular template. Then we're going to go to add-ons. And we're going to search for bulk, create, and generate. And you'll see the add-on here, select it. It will open up on the right-hand panel here, and then you can select get started. Now we tag the moving parts. In the replace images section here, we're going to choose the images that will change in every post. Foreground image is the topmost image in your layers. Background image is the bottom one. If you're not sure which is which, select this little find in page icon, and you see that it's highlighted the background image for me here. So I'm going to select background image as the one that I want to change. Next, you want to select the text that you want to change. So I'm going to select the text here. In replace text, I'm going to add. I'm going to label this one as quote and then select link. If there's more text in the design that you want to change, then you simply select add and then select those elements. Once you've done that, select download your CSV. You've just built the blueprint. That file that you downloaded is your entire month of Instagram posts in skeleton form. So your template now needs a month of post text and image descriptions before Adobe Express can build your posts. Writing this all by yourself will take a whole afternoon easily, and ain't nobody got time for that. So we're going to hand the entire thing to AI and let it do the heavy lifting. I'm using Claude for this. It's what I use every day, but it also works in ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI as well. So we're going to upload that CSV file that we downloaded from Adobe Express, and I'm going to prompt the AI to fill the template with 30 rows. I want quotes, so one compelling line per post. For the background image, I want it to write the prompts to generate each image. So I send it that, I let it do its thing. Once it's finished, you'll see all of the content populated for you. So I've got the background image prompts and the quote for each of the posts. I can open it in Google Sheets, and then I can go through and modify anything if it's not quite right. Once you're happy, you can download this file, and we're going to bring that back in Adobe Express. You now have a month worth of copy and content and art direction all done in one chat. This is the moment the whole system pays off. We've got one design, one spreadsheet about to become an entire batch of Instagram posts. So we're back in Adobe Express in the design. We're going to select next, and now we're going to upload the CSV file from your AI. Because I've got my AI to generate image prompts for each post, I'm going to select remove background so we don't have unnecessary layers. Then I'm going to select create pages, and Adobe Express will begin building them for you. Once it's done, you'll see that every single post has its own text and generated image. And I didn't need to dig through thousands of images in a stock library. And if I want to tweak anything, so if I wanted to swap a particular image out or change the text, I can do that on each individual one. Then you can download them if you want to publish them yourself. So you go to download, you can select all the pages or individual ones and click download. Or you can select share to use the built-in social media scheduler. Select the channels that you want to schedule it to, select the post type, add your caption, or you can get it to automatically generate one for you. Set the date and the time, and that's it. Hit schedule. That's 30 designs done and scheduled in the time it normally takes to make one. Different visuals, same design layout, so your feed looks consistent and it's all done in one batch. Now that you've created a whole month of Instagram posts in minutes, what if that was just the starting point? In this next video, I'll show you the AI features in Adobe Express that most people don't even know about, and how you can use them to create content that stops the scroll without adding hours to your week. It's linked here, go and check it out.